music is vibrant, soulful, and full of passion. Today, we're celebrating some of the top Haitian female singers who have left a powerful mark on the world. Here is a list of the top 10 Haitian female singers you should know. Originally a model, Fatima brings elegance and energy to her music. Her performances reflect her passion for Haitian culture and her desire to blend tradition with contemporary sound. Tafa Michel, or Emeline Rose Tafina St. Louis, is not just a singer but an artist in every sense. Known for her commitment to women's and minority rights, Tafa combines her love for music, theater, and fashion to make a bold statement. Darline Desca, also known as the Queen of Afro, pursued a degree in business administration before diving into music. Her vibrant Afro-Caribbean sound celebrates her Haitian roots while appealing to an international audience. Has been a notable figure in Haitian music for over a decade. She gained fame with her song Confusion, which she performed with the group Duets. Esther's soulful and emotive singing style has touched the hearts of many. Amy Alerty from Cap Haitian is known for her raw and emotive performances. She started singing at a young age and has wowed audiences across the Caribbean with her powerful voice. Let's move on to Misty Jean, a versatile artist who blends reggae, R&B, and compas with her unique style. This former Miss West Indies has released multiple albums and continues to charm audiences worldwide with her smooth voice and memorable melodies. Phyllisia Ross brings a soulful touch to the list. Known for her smooth voice, she has collaborated with global artists, including Jacure and Nayo. Her music bridges cultures and connects Haitian sounds with the world. Bedjine, whose full name is Marie Bedjine Love David, is a rising star in Haitian music. Known for her duets with K-Dilak, Bedjine has brought us hit songs like Faux Piwoms and Compas. Her voice carries both sweetness and strength, making her a unique talent. Next, we have Rutshelle Guillaume, a true powerhouse in the Haitian music scene. Her dynamic stage presence and emotional lyrics have captivated fans across the world. Rutschelle's songs often explore themes of resilience and empowerment. The iconic Emeline Michel, often called the Joni Mitchell of Haiti. Known for her deep, soulful voice, Emeline combines Haitian compas and rara with jazz, samba, and bossa nova. Her music speaks to the heart, carrying themes of love, struggle, and hope. These women have each left their unique mark on the world of music, representing Haiti with pride, resilience, and creativity. Which Haitian singer is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.